Hi, my name is Miss Emma, and today we are learning about so basically it's a double list from few previous videos, and we're basically putting a loop inside of it. And if you want to know more about my double list and stuff, and for loop actually, you can go check it out in the link in the description down below. So let's start. So I already covered about 4 loops, and we did the range, and you can check that out whenever you're available. So let's return, and yeah, that's it. Wait, not 0. This thing. Wait, or actually, never mind. Print double list. Wait, something's wrong on this thing. Let me see what's wrong really quick. Oops. And now double list. Let's see. Let's run it. Wait, there's something wrong. So let's see what's wrong here. So let's see. Okay, so for I in range, you have to also, if you make something wrong or if you make a mistake, always see what you made wrong. So let's just restart this, redo this. So if you make something wrong, you probably have to redo it, like me, trying to delete it, sorry. For I in double list, or no, range. Oh wait, I remember what I did wrong. See, that's how you make less mistakes. And now where's that underscore? There it is. Why is it? Sorry guys, it kind of doesn't load. Not nums, I mean list. Because last time I did nums, but this time I'm doing list. So that's why I got a little confused. But now let's print it. Oops. Now double. Okay, there. Double list. Print it or run it. Wait for it to load. Why is it taking so long? Okay, it's taking a while. Okay, well, it just gave us the whole thing. What if you only wanted one thing? Or maybe just wanted not the full thing. Like maybe just separate, or I don't really know how to say it. You just wanted one at a time, let's say. Let's put 1, or I mean not 1. It's taking a while, sorry. This always takes so long for me. Okay, so it just gave me what I was talking about, not the full thing. It just gave me what I wanted it to give me. So that's all for today. Bye, and thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.